Go for it, little girl. That's right. Will she get herself closer to the thing? There you go. Oh yeah. Good. Talk to us.
She seems to be far more interested in the carpet right now. What do you think? What do you think, Sweet Pea? Should we give you something else to play with? Is that not fun?
Oh, there she goes. Okay, that's what we want to see. Good. Excellent. Beautiful. That's wonderful. That's what I want. Good for you.
Is that a mouse?
Gravitates towards something. That's right. Pull it towards you. Can you figure out how to take something out of there?
Where are your toys? Where's the mouse?
Kind
There's a nice pattern on the rug.
of surveying it, checking it out.
Natalia. Want something in here?
Here, help yourself. There you go. Whoop.
You gotta move
Handle
the
got in the
handle out of
way.
the way. Yeah. Can you reach in and grab something?
She done that before?
Yeah.
Take something out of there, kiddo.
She's okay. Playing with the handle. Not that way, silly.
Going into the little shape. Don't get your hand caught in there.
You're gonna try to eat the
There's
star?
another one up there.